Kung naghahanap ka ng murang bahay sa Tanza, huwag mo tong skip. Bank foreclosed property ito, meaning 40% to 50% below market value. Located at Barangay Bagtas, Tanza, Cavite. Single attached, inner lot, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. At ang pinaka-importante, bidding na this March 2. Ibig sabihin, paunahan at pataasan ng offer. Pag may kasabay ka, pwedeng mawala agad to sa'yo. Now, pag-usapan natin kung magkano ang kailangan mo. Starting bidding price, 1,430,800, 5% reservation fee, 5% installment good for up to 4 months. Total down payment is 10%. Remaining balance is 90% bank financing. Pero tandaan, as is where is, hindi kasama bank fees at transfer. At pinaka-importante, March 2 na ang bidding. Konting oras na lang. Kung gusto mong masecure to bago maagaw ng iba, message ka na ngayon. Free house tour assistance available. Don't wait, baka bukas, sold na to.